Royina Garma inamin at sinagot ang tanong ni Representative Paduano kung malapit ba ito o espesyal sa dating Pangulo na si Rodrigo Duterte.
Oh, why you aren't answering?
Perhaps, Mr. Chair, I am special.
Perhaps ka na naman.
Ginisa ni Representative Paduano si Royina Garma sa naganap na committee hearing. Naniniwala ang mga miyembro ng House of Representatives Quad Committee na itinalaga ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte si Royina Garma bilang General Manager ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office o PCSO dahil sa kanilang pagiging close.
Question of deployment na napaka-juicy yung mga posisyon from DI, tsaka puro lahat Davao, ang assignment except sa Cebu. Tapos nag-schooling, tapos early retirement. Again, can you state when was the date or the year that you retired?
That's June of 2019, Your Honor.
June of 2019. When did you assume as PCSO chairman?
July 15 of 2019,
Oh,
Your Honor.
1 month lang. Di ba? Tama? 1 month?
15 days, I think, Your Honor.
Oh, 15 days pa. Sobra. Now, during the interpellation, Mr. Chairman, ng mga members kanina, Ma'am Garma, Miss Garma, keep on denying that he is close to the former president. Di ba? Kasi sabi mo lang lagi, maybe. Binigyan ka ng posisyon, tingnan mo. You check the record. 10 years pa yung supposedly before you retire, 10 years ka pa, but you opt to early retirement. Tapos, wala pang 1 month, sabi mo nga, 15 days, bigla ka nag-PCSO. Tapos, itong tinanong ka kanya, sabi mo, are you close to the president, former president? Ang sagot mo, because of those promotions, sabi mo, is maybe, not maybe. Now, I will ask you, are you special and close to the president? Former president? Yes or no lang po? Walang personal. Yes or no lang po? Kasi lahat-lahat eh.
Ewan ko kung special ako.
Oh, why can't you answer? Simple lang tanong ko. Are you close to the former president? Because that's why you've been given a juicy position where in fact, 1 month, wala pa nga, 15 days ka lang nag-retire, nag-PCSO, chairman ka na kagad. Sige nga. Yes or no? Why can't you answer? Oh, Mr. Chairman, since
Because, Mr. Chair,
Oh, why? What?
I do not...
I do not na naman.
No, Mr. Chair.
Oh, sige nga.
Because you said, am I close or special to the President?
Yeah, you're close to the president. Or special. Kasi, tanungin mo yung lahat mga classmates mo. Ako, mama, mga classmates mo, ikaw ang tumulong for their promotion during the time of President Duterte. That's why I'm asking the DIDM to submit to this committee all the years of promotion of all your classmates. Now, ang question ko ngayon, diretso na. I hope you will answer truthfully. Are you close to the President?
Mr. Chair, I'm not close. I was fired.
Okay. Okay.
Nag-floating pa
So,
nga po ako during his
Huwag
time.
mo, anong mga floating during his time?
Yes, Mr. Chair,
15
6 months.
days lang na nag-retire ka, nag-PCSO chairman ka, for all those qualified, for all those qualified applicants. Ang dami po na qualified. Why you? Why you? And though, the fact is, Mayor Osmeña is keep on insisting, kaya nag-OIC ka lang kasi he never choose you in the list. Tama? O na ang question ko ulit. Last na lang to, ma'am. Are you close and special to the President?
For me, Mr. Chair, I don't feel close and special.
Okay, now,
Mr.
you're
Chair.
lying.
Because...
You're lying, ma'am.
Can I explain, Mr. Chair?
Of course, explain.
You know, there was once in my career na siya ang mayor, nag-floating po ako 6 months, I don't have any position.
Ma'am, when was that?
That was in 11.
No, that
Mr.
was
Chair,
way,
floating-
way back. Way, way back, ma'am.
Nag-floating po ako.
But before he became president of this republic, you're very close to the president. Before your assignment in Cebu, you're very close to the president. Before you retire, you're very close to the former president. And now you're talking to this committee. You're telling us that you're not close to the president? That's only a simple question. Now you deny. You said no. You said no. Oh, Mr. Chairman,
Can I, Mr. Chair?
Kanina pa kita pinapa-explain. Pabalik-balik lang tayo.
Yeah.
Okay, given you were floated.
Yeah. Kasi,
2011.
yes, Mr.
Oh, but after that,
Ah.
lahat na position mo, juicy. You
I-
can never stay. Palipat-lipat ka doon sa Davao and you will not be deployed as CIDG in Region 7. You cannot be deployed even the opposition of the mayor, that time, Mayor Espeña, if you're not close to the president. You're telling me that it's the Chief PNP? Now, kung Chief PNP, bakit nung nag-retire ka, 15 days after, PCHO chairman ka, if you're not chosen, if you're not close, if you're not special to the president? Oh. Oh, why you're not answering?
Perhaps, Mr. Chair, I am special.
Perhaps ka na naman. Bago pumunta doon, balikan ko mamaya your travel records. I have with me your travel records.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I have with me since from 2024 to 2012. Okay? Ma'am Garma, you're most traveled, though you're not anymore in public office.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama. Whose shoulder you travel?
Some were sponsored by my cousins when I traveled.
Cousins?
in
Who are your
5
cousins?
states. I was invited for
Who
a
are
while.
your cousins? Who are your cousins?
Anne-Marie Batay. They are
From
all
where?
United States.
Okay, US.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, siya lang? Nagsisponsor sa'yo?
Hindi pa po. Meron pa Hazel Idnay.
Comsec, please take note of all the names that are being mentioned by Ms. Garma. Yes, please proceed. Who else?
Yun lang po ang nagtumulong
So,
po.
dalawa lang
Yes, because I was invited to an occasion.
in the US. But how about your travel in Asia? Who sponsored it?
I paid for it,
You paid for it?
Your Honor, yes.
Tingnan mo, mama. Your travel for just 2024, you traveled 6 times abroad. Just in 2024. Tapos, yung travel mo 2023 is 13 times. You travel 13 times abroad.
2020.
13 times. This is a record coming from the Bureau of Immigration, Madam. You cannot deny this. Iba't ibang lugar, may Kuala Lumpur, may ano. In the next hearing, tatanungin pa kita po para at least papaunahan kita. Pero sa ngayon, ang tanong ko lang po, who sponsored you? How can you afford to travel 13 times in just 1 year? You're not anymore an official of the government. This is an official travel. Oh, where did you get? Where did you get? Ma'am? Oh, you want to have an executive session?
No, Your Honor.
No? Also, answer me. Or else I set you in contempt.
I paid for it, Your Honor.
Yeah, you paid for it. How much is your ano? How much is your? Can you provide us? Are you willing to have a waiver for your bank accounts?
No, Your Honor.
No. Why? Because you're not telling the truth. You are hiding something. Ito, initial pa lang, mama. Oh. You travel 13 times? Ibig sabihin nun, more than every month you travel outside in the country. Now, last question ko, ma'am. Eto mama, diretso kita, what is your latest travel abroad? When was that? When was that?
Japan, Your Honor.
Japan? Hindi, your purpose of your travel.
USA, Your Honor.
O USA. Now, pakiano lang, what happened with the travel?
Okay, I have to travel to USA to
Why?
to bring my daughter in the US
Why?
because of this exposure.
When was that? When was that?
28 last.
When was
ano
that?
ngayon, September, August, Mr. Chair.
Ang daming August, 30 days yung August.
28.
Hindi, ganito lang po, ma'am.
28.
Diretsuhin kita. Oh,
28.
your plan to travel in the US was August 28. That was the time that the Squadcom was already started, di ba? The investigation.
Yes, Your Honor.
And your name was already crop up.
Yes,
Tama?
Your Honor.
Oh. Now, in short, you're using that alibi to bring your daughter to the US to evade this investigation.
No, Your Honor.
No, okay. Anong nangyari? Ba't hindi ka naka-US? Ba't nandito ka ngayon?
My visa, US visa was canceled.
Why?
Hindi po sinabi sa akin ang reason why.
Hindi sinabi? You never asked?
I asked, but Japan in charge on the desk did not tell me the reason.
No. Kasi papasok ka sa US, di ba? Kasi kung hindi ka tinanggap ng Japan, that is the responsibility of Japan. But you were not allowed, di ba, to go to US because what?
It was not explained to me by the in charge sa Japan po. Kasi nung mag-check-in po kami,
Check-in for
kukuha
going
ng
to?
ticket. Kukuha po ng ticket, Japan to
I know.
US.
You
yeah.
don't have a ticket yet.
Yes, Your
Oh,
Honor.
kaya nga eh. Kaya you want to travel to the US, but you don't have a ticket?
Oh, no,
No.
We
Di ba,
have-
inamin mo na eh.
No, Your Honor. Ang ticket namin is all connecting. Nung
Oh.
magbo-board po ako, para kung mag-check-in kami for the seat, I wasn't able to get a seat kasi nag-error na yung system. So
Sandali.
we sought the
Balikan ko muna.
assistance. Yes po.
So yung travel mo is from the Philippines connecting Japan to
Japan.
US.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a ticket, Philippines, Japan, US.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you sure of that?
Ang binigay po ng...
Sandali. Tatanong kita. Simple na to, ma'am. Do not
Yes.
evade my question.
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
Your ticket is, as you have said, your ticket is Philippines, Japan, US.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, but you were not allowed. Yun na, may ticket ka, sigurado ka, Philippines, Japan, US.
Ang ticket po namin is Philippine, Japan.
Kaya nga,
Your Honor.
Huwag mo nga akong lituhin, ma'am. Ang tinatanong ko, malapit ka na, ma'am. Ang tinatanong ko kanina, yung ticket mo is only Philippine, Japan. Sabi mo hindi. Philippine, Japan, US. You get a ticket in Japan for US.
Boarding pass po yung kukunin na namin sa Japan.
Ay,
Hindi po
nako.
ako nakakuha,
Anyway,
Your Honor.
do you have a copy of that?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
Oh, BID, DFA. Anong airlines? Oh, hindi mo na naman masagot. Simpleng-simple yan. It happens last 2 weeks ago. Sige nga. Kasi you're lying, ma'am.
No, Mr. Chair.
You are lying.
Okay.
Now, question, your ticket. Anong airplane? Oh, you cannot answer? Simpleng-simple. Something happens in Japan.
Korean.
No, Mr. Chairman, hindi rin ito makalusot eh. Kasi pag tinawag ko yung DFA, alam ng DFA.
Japan, I think it's Japan airline. That's why we landed
Why
in
I
Japan.
think na naman. Kanina maybe, now I think.
It is Japan airline, Mr. Chair.
From the Philippines,
I'm very sure of it na. I can recall it, Japan airline.
from the Philippines
To Japan.
to Japan, then what airlines supposedly to the US?
It's the same. It's Japan airline.
Japan Airlines. Oh, kaya nga, dalawa na, twice na. Last ko na mamaya na tanong. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I move that dahil walang kopya daw, wala nang records, walang documents from Ms. Garma, Mr. Chairman, can we ask for the documents, travel documents, with regards to the plane that was booked by Ms. Garma from the Philippines, Japan, and to the US?
We will ask the records from the DFA.
Yeah, from the DFA po.
Okay.
Tsaka BID na. Tsaka Japan Airlines.
Okay, COMSEC, kindly coordinate with the Bureau of Immigration and our DFA as to the travel records of Colonel Regina Garma.
Wala. Wala bang DFA dito? And also, Mr. Chairman, can we ask the DFA the reason why Ms. Garma was not permitted to travel to have an entry from Japan to the US?
COMSEC, you are so directed.
Para opisyal lang po. Kasi alam din na ni Ms. Garma bakit hindi siya pinayagan. Oo, malalaman din natin,
In my
ma'am.
mother's grave, hindi ko po alam,
Pero
Mr.
alam mo,
Chair.
deep inside, you know why you were not allowed entry to the US.
I cannot just say what's deep inside, Mr. Chair, because I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's your alibi, that's your defense.
Yes,
That's your defense, ma'am. Okay.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop, with the indulgence of Congressman Paduano.
before we leave that issue in Japan, may I be permitted to ask some questions?
With the indulgence of Congressman Paduano.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. It's
Please
a pleasure
proceed,
to this
Congressman Acop.
representation.
Madam Garma, nung bumili ka ng ticket,
Yes,
saan bang intention mo na pupuntahan talaga?
Mr. Chair, I didn't get the question.
Ano ang intention mo talaga nung bumili ka ng ticket?
Um,
Japan or US?
US,
Okay.
US, Mr. Chair.
Eh bakit hindi ka kumuha ng buong